Alright, welcome to Yasash TV. This is unboxing. If you want to see installation, just click on the link above, jump to installation. This is how it comes in a black and red shaded box. This is how it looks. My box is open from sides, don't know why, but it has nice plastic on the top, a sellotape, and these. Let's crack on with it. So first thing first, you see a kit, installation kit, user manual. Nice. I'm just checking if everything is sealed. So we don't want to have used items, do we? Okay. Nice protection border layer. That's the kit, the window installation kit. That is the part of it. Looks a little bit dusty and scratchy. I don't know, not scratchy, dusty, but it looks sealed. Okay, let's take the whole kit out first. Look for these seals and these. This will tell you that the item has been opened before, returned item. That's nice. It has grill. By the way, I have owned portable air conditioners before. Non-branded air conditioner, link on the top right corner. There is a difference between branded and non-branded. This LG one has this grill to stop birds and other wildlife to get in to the air condition from outside. Nice. Again, if you want to jump into installation part, just click on the link above, jump to installation part. Nice quality plastic, injection molding plastic. It has nice plug, fused plug, really big sober plug. It has a weatherproofing foam. To weatherproof it, there is a permanently sticky foam and non-sticky foam. Both are provided, so whatever you want to install. And of course the exhaust hose. Remote control with batteries are included. Quickly show you the remote. The remote control comes with the screws and stand. If you want to install, I will not be installing remote permanently anyway. My remote will just sit next to my bed. That's how the remote looks. LG. That's the stand for remote. If you want to install it on your wall or table, you can install it just like that. Okay, time to get the bad boy out. Okay, this is how it looks inside the box. Okay, the air conditioner is out and there's nothing in the box. That's it. So this is it. This is all you get in the box. This is pretty much everything. A main unit, installation kit, remote control and user manual. That's it. This is all you get in the box. So this is how it looks out of the box. It has nice wheels in the bottom, really free wheels, easy to move, but smaller wheels though. If you're gonna be using it on the carpet, these wheels are really small size, so carpet will just eat them up. It's better than no wheels, but these wheels are no good for carpet. And that's the front view. Okay, of course, when you buy these things off Amazon or other places, look for these blue seals. It will tell you if the item has been returned or used. There's all kind of warnings on the side.